When it comes to choosing the right AI content generator for marketers, you've probably come across two big names, Copy.ai and Writesonic. But which one actually delivers the best results? In this video, we're diving deep into the features, pros, cons, and how they stack up against each other to help you make the best decision for your business. Stick around till the end because I've got a surprise. There's a better alternative out there, and I'll tell you exactly where to find it. Let's start with Copy.ai. This tool has been around for a while, and it's pretty much a favorite among marketers for its user-friendly interface. The moment you log in, you're greeted with a clean, easy-to-navigate dashboard. But the real star here is the variety of templates. From blog posts to email sequences, Copy.ai makes it easy to get started with content creation quickly. You don't have to spend time figuring out how to use the tool. The templates guide you step by step. Next thing to mention is the quality of output. Copy.ai is solid at generating content, but it's not perfect. Sometimes the results need a little tweaking, especially if you're looking for a more personalized or specific tone. It's an AI tool, after all, and while it's great at generating ideas, it might not always nail exactly what you have in mind. But overall, Copy.ai does offer a pretty strong performance for marketers looking to produce quick and varied content. Now, let's talk about Writesonic. Much like Copy.ai, Writesonic is a content generation powerhouse. But where it really shines is its versatility. You get more than just blog posts or email templates. The platform allows you to create landing pages, Google Ads, social media posts, and even product descriptions. Plus, the variety of languages it supports is a huge bonus if you're targeting international markets. The fourth thing worth mentioning is that Writesonic's tone and style adaptability are a bit more refined compared to Copy.ai. It's better at tailoring content for specific audiences, and the generated text feels a little more natural, which is a big plus when you're trying to stay on brand. However, Writesonic isn't without its downsides. Like Copy.ai, you'll still need to do some editing, especially when it comes to longer form content. While Writesonic is great for short snippets, the longer pieces can sometimes feel like they're a bit too AI generated, without that personal touch you get from professional copywriters. Moving on, the price comparison. Copy.ai and Writesonic both have subscription-based pricing models, but Copy.ai tends to be a bit pricier, especially when you go for their higher tier plans. Writesonic offers a more budget-friendly option, especially if you're just getting started and don't need every single feature. But if you're scaling, both platforms will start to look similar in terms of cost. One last thing before I get into my recommendation, customer support. Both platforms offer decent support, but Writesonic tends to have a more responsive customer service team, which can be a lifesaver when you're trying to get back to work quickly. Now, here's the thing, both Copy.ai and Writesonic are great tools, but after testing them myself, I've realized there's actually a better option for marketers who want more reliable output and even more flexibility. If you're looking for a content generator that really gets you results, I recommend checking out the tool linked in the description below. This isn't just another AI content generator, it offers a free trial and exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else. Trust me, if you're serious about improving your marketing game, this tool is definitely worth your time. So, if you want to get started with the best alternative today, hit the first link in the description to grab that free trial. You won't regret it.